Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the shallow post stitches. So in the pattern, you'll see, or you have seen, that we are using two different types of these stitches. So we're going to use the shallow back or front post stitches, and then the shallow back or front post single crochet. So half double crochet and single crochet. So to do those, so here I just did a simple foundation row of half double crochet. I chain one and entered. So to work your shallow post stitches, instead of working so your regular post stitches, you work around the post here. So the difference with the shallow stitches, or shallow back post or front post, you work here. So so it's on top of the post and around here. So when you work usually around your post, what it does, it's usually it kind of shorten your stitches. By working above, it just makes your stitches a bit higher, or the same height as your other stitch in the row. So I did it fast, but I'm gonna go slowly and show it to you. So for the half double crochet, you yarn over, and now we're going to do the front back post, front post, sorry. So this is shallow front post, half double crochet. So you yarn over, you go around here above your post, yarn over, and you finish your half double crochet. So pull through, yarn over again, and then go through all of these. I'm going to do it again. Yarn over, go around, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all three. So this is when you're working in the front. So the same thing for the shallow back post, half double crochet, you yarn over, and you're going to work from the back, as you have guessed. So you do the same thing, just from the back. So yarn over, go around the top of your post, yarn over, pull through one, and you yarn over, you pull through both, all three, sorry. So see, these are the front and these are in the back, and we're going to be using both because we're going to be working in rounds, and depending if you're working on the right side or the wrong side, you're going to need to do them from back or from front, so that your back, the back panel of your sweater, all these stitches that pops out will always be on the same side. Otherwise, let's say for example, I'm just going to do a regular, and then I chain one and I turn. Here I have to do, in order to continue that line, I have to do a front, and here again front. So it will, now it's a very small sample, but you can see, I don't know if you can see that it will kind of continue here. If I would have done a back here, then it loses the purpose of what you want to do. Depends on the pattern, but for this pattern, you want that line to, you want the post stitches to be on the same line and on the same side of your pattern. So that's why we did that. And the last one I'm going to show you, so it's the single crochet, so the shallow single crochet, shallow front and back post single crochet. So instead of doing the yarn over, of course you know how to do a single crochet, so you would just go ahead and go around above the post, yarn over, and do your single crochet. Again, go around and finish with your single crochet. To show you if you do it from the back, so that would be the shallow back post single crochet. So the important thing here is, instead of, you have to make sure that your yarn is in the back here. Otherwise, if you go like this, it's very difficult to get your yarn here. It will not look how it should. So you make sure that your yarn is in the back. Then you go around again from the back and you finish your single crochet. Again, your hooking is in front of your yarn. From the back, you go around, you pull as usual and finish your single crochet. And so they are in the back. So that's what it is. I invite you to maybe practice a little bit if you're not familiar with this technique, and enjoy.